Hi, may I know your name and where do you stay in Bangalore?
Hi, my name is Anita. I stay on Old Madras Road near Indiranagar.
How old is your child?
I have two kids, Arjun almost 6 years old and Antara almost 2 years old now.
What were you looking for them?
So we moved to Bangalore about 2.5 years back when Arjun was almost 4, and at that time we were looking for a good kindergarten or a play school for him.
Which other play schools did you consider?
Honestly, none except Kara, because we knew somebody whose kids were going to another branch of Kara and he had recommended Kara to us. And since he was slightly underage at that time to go to some of the regular schools here, we opted for Kara for his full-time school at that time.
Which one did you finally choose and why?
Sure. So we came to Kara, Indiranagar branch. We came around and looked at the place, spoke to people here. We really liked the place as soon as we came here. Arjun felt at home immediately. We didn't even have to consider another play school, and it seemed like a really good 1 year for him to be here at that time. As it turned out, he's been continuing here after that as well in the after school program, and my second one has joined as well. So she joined Kara when she was 1 year old, and she's been going in the toddler group since then.
How has your experience been with Kara for Kids?
Actually, I could go on about it for hours, but it's been a real pleasure. It's been an amazing experience for me and for the kids. Like I could start with when we were in another city when Arjun was younger. I had to quit my job that time because I couldn't find good enough daycare for him. And I just wish I had a Kara at that time, and I would never have quit then, because it's seriously, be it the all-round development of the child academically or physical development, their focus on gross motor and fine motor skills, as well as social skills, which they really focus on. The development has been spectacular. I can see it in my second one, who's been here now almost a year. Her vocabulary is amazing for a 2-year-old. She's just happy here, and I would say that's the most important thing. Both of them are really happy here. But apart from that, I would say every single thing for us has been fantastic in Kara, be it just the teachers or the didis, be it even small things like the van drop which they have, which is so safe, the van driver who they have, or the food quality which they provide to the kids, just the menu, the kind of ingredients they use, it's just amazing. Every single detail has been arrived at with so much care and with so much focus. It's just amazing. So I would say, I would like to mention that I have tried like all the programs of Kara. So my son started out in the full school, then he moved on to after school. So now he comes from kindergarten here for about 3 hours. My daughter comes to the toddler group, so she's been here since she was 1. We also come for the summer group. So we come like all 6 weeks, sometimes we choose weeks. So we have chosen the summer programs as well. So I have like participated in most of the programs in Kara, and I've had an excellent experience in all of them.
Anything that could be better?
I really cannot think of anything which could be better than what they have right now. It's been really amazing.
Okay. Based on your experience, tell me 2 best things about Kara for Kids.
2 best things. Of course, the teachers are amazing, but I think the most important people in Kara are the didis, the support staff. They are the most loving and warm people. At the same time, I have seen them be firm with the kids when discipline is needed. So I would say they are definitely one of the best things which any mother would want in Kara. And this might seem cliched, but Kara is definitely a second home or a home away from home, because safety is paramount. I mean, we as parents want nothing more than our kids to be safe, and I think we just have peace of mind. We can do our work peacefully without worrying constantly how our kid is. In fact, I would actually say my kid is safer here than at home, because when I'm in the kitchen, I can't keep a constant eye on my little one. Whereas here, I can rest assured that there is somebody to always take care of her, teach her, and they just learn not just normal stuff which you learn in schools, but how to be good human beings. I think that's really amazing. So I would say The Didis are amazing, and I would say the safety and the peace of mind which parents get in Kara is just amazing.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend Kara for Kids to other parents?
Is there a 10? I would give 10, but I would say 5 definitely. In fact, I should say there are 5 kids from my apartment here right now, and a lot of them have come through my recommendations as well. So definitely 5.
Okay. Thank you.